Welcome guys. We are continuing chapter 1 and this is the part 10. Suppose these are two parallel forces of equal magnitude but acting in opposite directions. So these are called couple. Parallel, same magnitude, and here it is written parallel, equal magnitude and opposite directions is known as couple. This is also couple. Arm of the couple. The perpendicular distance between the lines of action of the two equal and opposite parallel forces. Means the distance between the perpendicular distance between the couple is called arm of the couple. Suppose these are two forces and they are forming couples. This parallel this perpendicular distance. This distance is called arm of the couple. Movement of a couple. It is the product of the force and the arm of the couple. Mathematically, M equal to force into arm of the couple, where A equal to arm of the couple, where F equal to magnitude of the force, M equal to magnitude of the force, and A equal to arm of the couple. Suppose this is the force F, F, and this value is arm. Means if any one forces, either this one or other this one, if in not taking both forces or f square, not taking f square, just taking one forces and arm of the couple. Clockwise couple, a couple whose tendency is to rotate the body on which it acts in a clockwise direction is known as clockwise couple. This is both p forces are acting like a couple. Means rotation, you see the rotation is like clockwise. See the arrow marks. So it is called clockwise couple. Generally clockwise couple is taken as positive. Similarly anti-clockwise couple means this is the arm of the couple and both these forces arrow are acting like anti-clockwise. So this is called anti-clockwise couple and generally it is taken as negative couple. Characteristics of a couple. Normally four characteristics. First is the algebraic sum of the forces constituting the couple is 0. Means total algebraic sum of the forces constituting a couple is 0. Total forces of the couple is 0. Means summation h equal to 0 or summation v equal to 0. Means this is up, this is down. Means both magnitude same. Means their summation of v equal to 0. The algebraic sum of the moments of the forces constituting the couple about any point is same and equal to the moment of the couple itself. This is the couple P and P, and this distance is A. Means here it is saying the algebraic sum of the moments of the forces. What is the value of the moments? Suppose you are taking A as a fixed point. Suppose taking A as a fixed point, is moment equal to P into A, and couple moment of this couple is equal to same P into A, considering the couple about the same point and equal to the moment of the couple. Means here moment and couple value is same. A couple cannot be balanced by a single force, but it can be balanced only by a couple of opposite sense. We can't say this is the couple. For this have to balance, we have to put another forces in opposite sense, means this is, then it is balanced. So it is saying that it cannot be balanced by a single force, but balance can be balanced by only a couple of opposite sense. Any number of coplanar forces, any number of coplanar couples can be reduced to a single couple. Many number of coplanar couples are given, means one in one plane many number of coplanars are given. This is one. Three coplanar forces are given, and it can be reduced to a single couple. How? It can be reduced to a single couple. Reduced to a single couple. How? They are we are taking the magnitude of the algebraic sum of the moments of all the couple. We are taking the algebraic sum of the moments of the all the couple, means first couple, second couple, this is third couple. We are taking all the summation of the moments of this couple, whose magnitude is equal to a this single couple. Means what we are doing, मीन्स इन तीनों के बराबर एक होगा, इन तीनों की मूवमेंट्स के कपल जितने होंगे इस सिंगल फोर्सेस के मूवमेंट के कपल के मूवमेंट उतना ही होगा. सिमिलर सोचो, ये रिजल्टेंट है और क्या, इन तीनों फोर्सेस का रिजल्टेंट ये इस तरह के सोचो, हम पिछले चैप्टर में जैसे पढ़ते थे. लेट्स डू ए न्यूमेरिकल स्क्वायर एबीसीडी. आई एम ड्राइंग द फिगर. Square ABCD has forces acting along its sides, means उनके sides में forces acting कर रहा है. So 100 न्यूटन, यहाँ पे 200 न्यूटन, and this is P and this is Q. Find the values of P and Q. ये P और Q पूछा है. Find the values of P and Q. If the system reduces to a couple, ये पूरा system reduces to a couple. और यहाँ पे एक डायगोनल भी है. डायगोनल में कितना एक्ट कर रहा है? 100 न्यूटन. ये पूरा सिस्टम को हम सिंगल कपल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. पिछले पॉइंट में क्या कहा था, एक सिंगल कपल को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसका समेशन इक्विलिब्रियम में लाना पड़ेगा. मतलब समेशन भी इक्वल टू 0 होगा और समेशन h इक्वल टू 0 होगा. स्क्वायर के ईच साइड की डिस्टेंस कितना है, लेंथ कितना है, 1 मीटर. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, फॉर ए सिस्टम reduces to a couple, for a system reduces to a couple, it must be equilibrium, it must be equilibrium in both horizontally and vertically. For a system reduces to a couple, it must be equilibrium in both horizontally and vertically. Now resolving the forces horizontally means summation h equal to 0. What we can write? This is 100 x direction plus 100. Another is 200 we can take because it is in vertical direction. This diagonal means this is 45 degree and this is 45 degree. A diagonal of a square cutting its edges in 145 degree and 140 angles into both 45 degree. एक डायगोनल स्क्वायर का डायगोनल कितना काटता है, 45 डिग्री में दोनों एंगल को काटता है. तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, डायगोनल को अगर उसको रोटेट करेंगे इस डायरेक्शन में, हॉरिजॉन्टली करेंगे तो क्या होगा, -100 cos 45 डिग्री और P कौन सी डायरेक्शन में है, माइनस पे है, तो इक्वल टू 0. बाय सॉल्विंग दिस यू आर गेटिंग P इक्वल टू 29.3 न्यूटन. सिमिलरली समेशन भी इक्वल टू 0. भी डायरेक्शन में कौन सा है, 200 न्यूटन प्लस प्लस 200 और P अगर डायगोनल को रोटेट करेंगे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, तो क्या होगा, वर्टिकली लाएंगे ना, तो क्या होगा, सेम होगा, डायरेक्शन क्या होगा, माइनस में होगा, डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन 100 cos 45 डिग्री। क्यू का डायरेक्शन कौन से डायरेक्शन में है, डाउनवर्ड, तो माइनस क्यू इक्वल टू 0। बाई सॉल्विंग दिस यू आर गेटिंग क्यू इक्वल टू 129.3 न्यूटन। Now second statement, what is it is asking, find the magnitude of the couple if the side of the square is 1 meter. Magnitude of the couple, magnitude of the couple. What we are studying in the characteristics number 2. Characteristic number 2, what is saying, algebraic sum of the moments of the forces constituting the couple about any point is the same and equal to the moment of the couple itself. Here it is applying magnitude of the couple means the moment of the couple is equal to the algebraic sum of the moments about any point. Moment of the couple is equal to the algebraic sum of the moments about any point. Therefore moment of the couple equal to, you see, we are taking moment of the couple with respect to A about any point A. About any point A, we are taking moment with respect to A. Then what is the moment of each forces, 100 Newton. This value is 0 because this is passing through the point A. Now 200 is in anti-clockwise direction, so 200 into this perpendicular distance is 1 meter. Then P is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, so minus P into perpendicular distance is 1. Q passing through A, so it has no movement. Diagonal also passing through point A, so its movement is also 0. 100, diagonal and Q, both these three forces passing through A, so these have no movements. By putting the value of P here in the equation, minus 200 minus 29.3 into 1 equal to minus 229.3 Newton into meter. Since the value is negative, means this is, therefore the couple is anti-clockwise couple. This is anti-clockwise couple. Why? Its value is negative. Thank you.